How to place an order in the Elevate app. Go to the Watchlist tab and tap on the stock you're interested in. A bottom sheet will appear. Tap the Buy or Sell button to open the order form. The form is divided into 3 sections: Intraday, Delivery and Pay Later, which includes MTF and NRML. Set your quantity and choose the order type. Mark it for instant orders or limit to set your preferred price. You can also place a stop loss order if needed. Explore a variety of order types: regular, bracket order and cover order for intraday, and AMO for aftermarket orders. Tap on transaction charges to view a breakdown of all applicable fees. Under More Options, you can set order validity. Choose day to keep your order active until 3:30 p.m. or IOC, immediate or cancel for instant trades. Add a disclosed quantity if required. Want to check your buying power? Tap Margin Info to see both your available margin and required margin. Need to top up? Tap Add Funds to instantly fund your ABML trading account. Use the Switch button to toggle between buy and sell. Once you're done, tap Review Order, then swipe to buy or sell to place your order. Keep exploring this fresh, intuitive interface designed for a hassle-free investment journey. Download the Elevate app now.